Well, no driving in the semi today, but I get to drive the Lincoln. I love driving my Lincoln, and sounds like I'm going to be playing Dad Taxi today and a little bit of go for this, go for that. I got some fence stuff to buy and some house stuff to do. Got some chores. Got to buy some food for the chicken and the ducks and the rabbits and all the other barnyard animals we seem to be accruing. So I'm gonna try to put together a video of my little trip today. First stop, pick up the kid. We're gonna go get her. She's at her grandparents' house right now. Then I gotta run her over to drop her off at the other grandparents. So there we go for the first pickup. Okay, so now I already dropped my daughter off with my mother-in-law, and now I'm at Big R. I got to buy some dog food, cat food, chicken food, and rabbit food, and I got to get some parts to fix a fence. So let's go see if we can find all the parts we need. Well, I got all the food at the Big R, and now I'm dropping stuff off at Goodwill, and hopefully that's it for running around, but we'll see. I'm sure there'll be more things to run around and do. So far, 3 hours of driving to do all this stuff. Oh well, let's see what else we have to drive to do. Well, I'm all done with my chores and running around. Now I gotta go do the house chores. Feed the chickens and fix the fence. So thanks for going along on the ride with me.